Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the wonderful world of pallet wood projects. Pallets offer a fantastic way to get creative, upcycle some materials, and craft awesome things for your home, all on a budget. The beauty of pallet projects lies in their simplicity. With a handful of tools and a little know-how, you can transform these rough slabs of wood into charming and functional pieces. So, whether you're a seasoned DIYer or complete beginner, this video has something for you. We'll be showcasing 3 quick and easy projects that can be completed in under 30 minutes. Before we jump in, a quick safety reminder. Pallets can be rough and contain unseen hazards. Always wear gloves, safety glasses, and a dust mask when working with them. Additionally, check for any loose nails or splinters before starting your project. Alright, with safety first, let's get to the fun part, the projects. Project number 1. The rustic chic phone stand. This first project is a lifesaver for anyone who loves watching videos or reading on their phone. It is a phone stand with a touch of rustic charm. Perfect for your desk or nightstand. Materials needed would be 1 pallet board, cut to a size slightly larger than your phone, sandpaper, various grades. So, optional depending on your board size. Drill, also optional for adding a charging cable hole. Wood stain or paint. Clear sealant. Step number 1. Prep the pallet wood. Sand the board smooth, paying attention to any rough edges. If the board needs resizing, use a saw blade to make clean cut. Step number 2. Design your stand. Here's where you can get creative. You can leave the board as is for a natural look, or stain or paint it to match your decor. Step number 3. Add a charging hole. If you'd like your phone to charge while standing, use a drill bit slightly wider than your charging cable to create a hole near the bottom of the board. Step number 4. Finishing touches. Apply a coat of clear sealant for additional protection and shine. Let it dry completely. Step number 5. Stand up and relax. Place your phone on the stand and prop it at an angle using the natural tilt of the board. Now you can comfortably watch videos or read hands-free. Let's go to project number 2, the charming herb garden heron. Calling all green thumbs, this project will turn a pallet into a vertical herb garden, adding a touch of freshness and functionality to your kitchen or balcony. The materials needed would be 1 pallet disassembled, staple gun, heavy-duty plastic liner, drill, potting soil, herbs of your choice. Step number 1. Disassemble the pallet. Carefully pry apart the pallet boards using a pry bar or hammer. You will need several boards for this project. Step number 2. Plant your garden layout. Decide how many herb pots you want to fit vertically. Arrange the pallet boards to create a grid-like structure, securing them with staples. Step number 3. Lining up. If planting directly in the wood, consider using a heavy-duty plastic liner to prevent leaks and extend the life of your project. Step number 4. Drainage is key. If you're not using a liner, drill drainage holes at the bottom of each planting pocket created by the grip. Step number 5. Fill up. Add potting soil to each pocket and plant your favorite herbs. Step number 6. Hang it high. Secure your vertical herb garden to a wall or fence using sturdy hooks or screws. Let's go to Project 3. The picture-perfect pallet wood frame. This final project is a great way to showcase your favorite photos or artwork in a unique, rustic way. The materials you need would be 2 pallet boards cut to the desired frame size, miter saw, optional for angled cuts, sandpaper of various grades, wood stain or paint, which is an option, clear sealant, sawtooth hanger, photo or artwork, hot glue gun. Step number 1. Prep the boards. Sand the board smooth and remove any splinters. Step number 2. Frame it up. Decide on your desired frame size and cut the boards accordingly. For a classic look, use a miter saw to create angled cuts by the corners. Color it in. Stain or paint your boards to complement your artwork and decor. Let it dry completely. Number 4. Seal the deer. Apply a coat of clear sealant for an extra layer of protection and a beautiful finish. Step number 5. Assemble the frame. Lay the boards flat to form a rectangle. Secure them together using nails or screws. Step number 6. Show it off. Hang your rustic frame on the wall and admire your creation. Don't be afraid to mix and match these projects. Combine elements from each for unique creation. Pallet wood projects are a fantastic way to add a touch of rustic charm and functionality to your home without breaking the bank. We hope this video has inspired you to tackle some pallet projects of your own. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative content. Thanks for watching.